Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you will stick around, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I do upload new videos. Generally, we do a lot of unboxings on here, but we do other things too, especially if somebody asks for it. I generally will try to do it if I'm capable of doing it. Anyhow, today, of course, we're doing an unboxing, and I'm so excited for this. As I say for all of them, I'm excited, but this is the Allure box. I had seen some thumbnails where people were like 4 full-size items. Excuse me, one of my friends was like dying to tell me what she got in her box, and I'm like, no, don't tell me, please don't tell me yet, because I haven't filmed and I want to be surprised. And she's like, oh my god, it's so good, da, da, da. So the hype is there. I'm excited. I want to see what's in this box, and we're getting ready to get into it. So if you do not know, this is a $15 a month box, and generally I don't think it's guaranteed, but generally you get at least 1 to 2 full-size items in this box, and it's always good high-end brands you know, and they do slip in some things that are indie. And I love it because then you get to try things. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this amazing thumbnail box that everybody's making, and see if everybody has a reason to be excited, which I'm sure they do. So again, here is the box. It's a nice sturdy box. And then when you open it, we always have a beautiful person on here. Okay. And then there's a sneak peek. All right, so there is our picture. I am not going to read the first page because then it tells you everything that's in the box. So we're not doing that. All right, so let's go ahead and just dive right into it. First thing, obviously, the biggest thing that I just seen that caught my eye is bright pink and shiny. Let's go ahead and review that first. So it's an item I'm so familiar with. I absolutely love the matcha green tea primer moisturizer. I ordered like 3 of them because I've already went through 1 whole tube, and I need backups just in case, because they love to discontinue things that I fall in love with. So this actually is watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies and energizes for all skin types. 3.4 fluid ounces. It says benefits: watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B6, and C to keep skin energized and hydrated. Charcoal helps remove toxins from skin surface and controls excess oil. White tea protects skin from cellular damage. And whole oat claims and soothes sensitive skin. Let's see. So it says the ritual: use on damp skin and rinse lightly with warm water. Follow with Purely's serums and moisturizers. I love this brand. Let's see what it says in here. Now, if you don't know, the things that are in here are just like it just tells you what that person thinks about it. So here's our little insert. I guess I'll read it. I was going to try something new and just not read these since it's not like a thing, but we'll go ahead and go through it. Purely's watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser. Usually anything too fragrant or oil absorbing has a big potential to dry out my sensitive skin. And yet I keep reaching for my watermelon and charcoal cleanser because it strikes the perfect balance between clarifying and soothing. You can see the pore vacuuming charcoal inside the black tinted gel when you squeeze it out of the tube. The watermelon scent is refreshing, not cloying, C-L-O-Y-I-N-G, C-L-O-Y-I-N-G, cloying, okay, I don't know the language apparently. It's nothing like watermelon gum. And the cleanser removes the day's makeup and leaves behind a clean feeling without drying me out, so I've been using it twice a day. Valued at $18. Amazing. I've tried it, I love it. And actually I am almost done with the cleanser that I'm using. I was going to go to the Laura Mercier one that I have as backup, but this just took that place. So this is going in as my backup. So there is the cleanser, full size, amazing, so happy. Next item that I see is actually an item that I love. I've used almost a full one already, and I ordered a backup from Ipsy with my points because it's what I use to get my points. I'm so happy to actually have another one of these. Is it the same color? I believe it is. Yeah, I believe it's the same color. So this is the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. I love this stuff. And like I said, I have a backup on the way. I've already went through, there's like this much left in my, and of course it's not anywhere near me, but I'm serious. There's like nothing hardly left. There's like probably like this much left in my bottle that I own. So I'm so happy to actually have another one of these and another backup, because you really do go through it. I mean, for me to actually go through something, it doesn't happen because I have a lot and I do rotate. However, I reach for this all the time. It is so nice. It sinks right in. Okay, let me stop. All right, Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil in Pink Shine. This oil has a hot pink tint, which it really doesn't leave a tint. Not on me anyway. It just leaves an oilness. Kind of like your lips, but better. But the color is sheer. It's closer to a popsicle stain, yeah, than a gloss. And it quickly dries down to a thin layer on lips. I disagree with that. It doesn't dry down. It kind of, let me keep reading. Without any greasiness or stickiness. See, I just need to keep reading. Because it does. It kind of leaves like a nice little, I don't even know how to explain it. Obviously, like that person just did. It's loaded with antioxidants and moisturizers, including vitamin E, coconut, and avocado seed oils. So each time you put it on, you're also working towards smoother lips in the long run. And $28 for this. I wouldn't pay $28 for this, but I love it. I used, I think, 600 points in Ipsy for this, and I was glad to do that, and I would do it again. So I'm very happy to have this. So far, knocking it out the park. $15 box, and we've already smashed that. All right, next item is from Belief, and this is actually like a deluxe size. It's not, maybe not. They get you with the false bottom. All right, so this is Belief the True Cream Aqua Balm Aloe Vera. When it comes to my hair, I've been slicing open an aloe vera leaf to reveal its slimy goodness as a step in my wash day routine for years. Okay, I've never heard of that. And I use the blended pulp as a soothing pre-shampoo treatment to nourish my itchy scalp and dry curls. But something in the gooey gel, the gooey gel on my face, smoothing. Oh my goodness, Mandy. But smoothing the gooey gel on my face, which also tends to be dry, is not as appealing. Instead, I turn to Belief's new Aqua Balm Aloe Vera formula as an update on the brand's super popular Aqua Balm gel cream. Their original beloved hydrator is still available, but the new version ups the ante with aloe extract. I apply it right after my serums, but before my sunscreen, and my skin is instantly dewy. When I'm staying in for the day, I'd like to add an extra layer for a Belief at home facial. Full size is $38. Okay. It's got a cute little picture on the top, as most of them do. I don't know that I knew. I think I did know. Okay, it doesn't want me to get into it. I did know about the aloe vera ones, but it's definitely a deluxe size. It is not full at all. It smells definitely like an aloe plant, but I'm excited to have that. I will go through that pretty quickly because there is a false bottom. Does it say how much? Okay, so 0.33 fluid ounces in here, but I'm not mad at it. Not mad at it at all. It's nice to try. All right, next item, if I can get it out. Okay, where are you at? Here you are. So, Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. When I was a beauty intern making $0, I would do an at-home manicure once a week. I got really good at applying nail stickers, and Dashing Diva was one of the first brands I tried. The gloss gel strips have lots of shine and long-lasting designs, and they're easy to apply. Just clean your nails with alcohol, then match a strip size to each nail. Stick it on the cuticle side first, smooth out the bubbles. You don't need a fancy tool, just your fingertips, and file off the excess. At a glance, a coworker even assumed I'd gotten my nails done at a trendy New York salon. And these are $9. I have used something similar to these, and it is easy to use. Just as she said, you put it on and you file it off, and they're stuck there for a while. I made the mistake of putting this on my toes, and it was hard to get off because I didn't take them off, and they don't really wear off on your toes. So I wouldn't recommend that unless you're gonna take it off after a week or so. Don't leave it sit there. But okay, I'm not mad at this again at all. Looks like we are down to the last 2 items in the box. Maybe if I can get it out of there. I know it doesn't want to come out. Okay, so this we have La Roche Posay. Okay, we all know that I cannot pronounce anything on this channel. So if you're new, I'm sorry, but I cannot. All right, so this was the one that you could get one or the other of, and this is La Roche Posay Active C10. I know I'm not saying that right, so I'm sorry. It says, there's something so satisfying about skincare in tubes you pierce open. They remind me of the prescription ointments that I used for sensitive skin growing up. To this day, anytime my olive skin is irritated, whether it's sensitivities or pimples, I wind up with dark spots. And as I've gotten older, they take longer to fade. So I use brightening treatments, like this one with absorbic acid, aka vitamin C. I use a dime size amount all over after toner to give the hyperpigmentation on my nose and cheeks extra love. This cream absorbs quickly, and unlike some other vitamin C treatments, it doesn't sting. It also hydrates with hyaluronic acid and soothes with vitamin E. In just a few weeks, it's helped fade my dark spots and brighten my overall complexion. Full size is $49.99. Okay, I mean, I will definitely try it. I use the Murad dark spot pigmentation thing right now. This is so small. It does remind you, reminds you just like the ointments, because it's like that aluminum kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a metal-y tube. But anyway, I don't think this is, I'm pretty sure this can't be full size. There's no way that's full size. But definitely excited to try that. All right. And the other item that you could have gotten is Sangpre Gold Black Pearl Eye Mask. So there was the other item that you could have received. Okay, I wouldn't mind either, for sure. I do love eye masks, so, but I do have a lot of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, so yeah, can't go wrong. All right, looks like we are down to our last item. And where are you? I know I've seen you. There we are. I'm excited about this one. And it is a Starskin product. Look at this, you guys. This is amazing. Okay. Starskin 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. I might be using this tonight. Sometimes it feels like every sheet mask is the same. They are all soaked in serum and easy to wear around the house. But this Starskin mask features one big difference. It comes with a vial of pure chamomile seed oil to boost its hydrating effects. The oil is naturally packed with fatty acids, which help plump up even super dry skin, and antioxidants. First, you apply the oil all over your face, and then you put on the sheet mask, which has niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, I don't know, and more chamomile oil. Open up the sheet mask section before you apply the oil because your hands will be slippery. Good tip. Very good tip. The 2-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam, but I like to use the because we can't read simple English. The two-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam, but I like to use the duo right before bed for softer skin the next day. And I use the extra oil in the ampule as a moisturizer in the morning, valued at $10. So full-size item. Starskin is amazing. If you guys have not tried their masks, they are awesome. BoxyCharm tends to have them in their pop-ups, and I believe I've seen them on Ipsy as well. So amazing. Loved this box, you guys. Let's recap. We have our Starskin. We have my favorite oil that I found so far, lip oil. We have the dark spot treatment thing. We have a Belief sample, full size pure lease, and we have the full size nail things. So that is one, two, yeah, there's four full size items. So your full size items are right here. So for $15, you have four, I'm holding it backwards, full size items, and amazing items, might I add. Plus two little sample items. This actually looks like you'll get a lot of use out of, and this you'll get a couple, maybe like a week out of it. So $15, what? Let me know down in the comments if you guys really enjoyed this box. You know I did. So I would love to know if you guys got the other item and what your opinion is on that. But other than that, you guys, I love talking with you guys. So please, please, please leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I do upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.